Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, we will talk about what happened in the market and what are the results and what are the some news on stocks today. So going ahead, first of all, we see that NSE banned 6 stocks today from the F&O index, where they are crossing the 90% of market open positions, where the stocks are Aditya Birla Fashion, Bandhan Bank, GNFC, India Cements, Hindustan Copper, and Piramal Enterprises. These are the stocks who are banned today for the F&O segment. Now going ahead, we will check some stocks that where we invest and where we can trade today. So going ahead, first of all is Jadus Wellness. Jadus Wellness buy at 2118.25 and stop loss should be 2050 and target will be 2222. The analysis suggests a positive outlook for the Jadus Well based on the daily chart, where the stock shows a consistent higher highs and higher lows pattern over the past 5 days, with a recent breakout above the neckline indicating a potential upward movement. The increase in trading volume and the stock trading above the volume weighted average price VWAP for the short term of 2105 further support a bullish scenario. Now going ahead for the second stock is the Voltam Transformers. So Voltam Transformers buy at 13,219.85. Target should be 13,950 and stop loss should be 12,780. Because we see why that Voltam is exhibiting strong bullish momentum, currently trading at the all-time high of 13,468, and the recent breakout above the crucial resistance at 12,500 level is a significant technical development supported by robust trading volumes, reinforcing the trend or reinforcing the strength of the stock. The breakout suggests a potential continuous of the upward trend, offering an optimistic outlook for the investors. Now going ahead for the third stock we choose is Ganesh Gondres. Ganesh Gondres buy or sell for the stock. So as for reports, Coromandel International is a good stock for today, where you can buy at 1580 to 1592. The target should be 1640 and the stop loss should be 1555. And while a notable bullish reversal pattern has emerged in the stocks in recent short-term period, the analysis or the technical pattern suggests a temporary retracement in the stock's price, potentially reaching around 1640. The stock is currently maintaining a crucial support level at 1555. Given the current market price of 1592, a market or a buyer opportunity is emerging. This suggests that investors consider purchasing of the stock that current price or anticipating a rise toward the identified target of 1640. Now the fourth stock is Exide Industries. Exide Industries, the trader price is 568. Target should be your 588 and stop loss will be your 545. Now the stock is at the support in this around 545. The current juncture, the stock has again seen a reversal price action formation at the 568 price level, which may continue its rally till its next resistance of 588. Traders can buy and hold these stocks with a stop loss of 545 of the target price of 588 in the short term. Now going ahead, that is IRCTC. Then if we talk about the IRCTC, the IRCTC in the bull run where we can buy at 1200, sorry, where we can buy at 1020, and stop loss should be your 970, and target will be your 1070. Because the bullish reversal pattern has emerged in the stock recent short-term trend analysis, this technical figures suggest that the stock have the potential to go up, and it can be do the retracement and possibly around 1070. Currently, the stock is holding crucial support at 970. The stock could rebound towards the 1070 level in the near future. Traders are advised to consider taking long term positions in the stocks where the loss is about stop loss should be on 970 and the price of the target is 1070, reflecting the anticipated towards the momentum or movement based on the identified technical signals as per your comfortable. Now these are the some stocks for today, and if we talk about some additional news, some additional news should be your inflation rate. That inflation rate will be come at this week, and another is your Indian inflation rate, which is also come in this week. Indian markets key things that can change our market trends that are comes that Indian stock market or Indian equity benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty are expected to open tepid, note tracking mixed cues global pairs. Asian market is trading at mix that some are positive or some are negative, so we can't say that that can impact on the Indian market or what will be in the impact of the global market in the Indian market. So going ahead, that we were seen in the past session that in Friday that Sensex closed at negative at 79,996, where it is closed below the 80,000. That is a negative sign for the Sensex, where Nifty closed above 23,000. So that's why Nifty and Bank Nifty are bullish still. So market participants will now eye on union budget, that what happened in the union budget, what are the government's new policies, what are the government scenarios for the new stocks and new players in the market. So everybody's eye on the union budget and the quarter one results of all stocks, that maybe this month will be volatile for the Indian market because of the quarter one result is coming, and also the budget is coming, the inflation rate is coming. So lots of news are there in the market. So first of all, we will focus on the US inflation market, that what happened in the US international rate. If it is as per the prediction or it is neutral or it is lower than this, then it's a very good sign for the all the global markets. But it's little bit higher, then global will take the class of the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, and it also reflects in the Indian market, where Indian market is also survive in this scenario, and it is also a very bad sign for the Indian market. And the FIAs will take the class of NSE and BSE also because of the inflation rate. And if inflation rate is higher in the Indian market, as per the reports, it can be higher because of the maximum things are there, unemployment rate, and even in the previous scenario we see that unemployment rate is higher in the US. So it's also a negative sign in the US market. So it's also a new perspective in the US market and also in the Indian market that can impact in the Indian market. So first of all, we'll check that. And personally, as per my knowledge or as per my scenario, that trade with stop loss, because in this month stop loss can be hit many times because of the news, and many policies are coming from the government scenarios. Now SAB takes some actions, now some RBI takes some actions, government also taking some new policies, and now the news traders like some are the financial traders, some are the fundamental traders, some are the technical traders, and some are news trader. And in this one, news traders are active, so they trade as per the news coming. So that's why the crucial part is that please do stop loss to protect your money, and always do stop loss, because of the, we can't say that what happened in the market and what are the perspective or what are the idea government will take from the government's new rules and regulations, policies, RBI decisions, our global news. What are the US central government do for to cover inflation rate or for the inflation rate in the US market, and what are our central government do for our inflation rate. So that are the little bit tricky ones. So please always do stop loss in your stocks, and always advisable to check every time the news which stock you buy, and every time you just check the news that is that news is related to your stock or not. If it is related, then please focus on the stock and focus on the news, because the news will be impacted on your stock and your portfolio. So that is for today, and thank you.